Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the search bar that is not typing or it's not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be opening first the run window. So to do that, simply go to your keyboard, press the Windows R key altogether, and then you will be getting this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to type C:\\Windows System32. Now, once you have already typed this one, just please click on enter. And then here you will be brought to this kind of this location. So we are in the folder System32. All you need to do is just to find and create a shortcut for CTFmon. So to easily find the CTFmon option or folder, all you need to do is just to go to the search tab here, and then we need to type just CTFmon, and you will be getting this CTFmon easily. So all you need to do is just to create a shortcut with this one, and to do that, simply make a right click and then click on show more options here. Once you do that, you will be seeing now the create shortcut option. Now once you click on that, please click on yes if you're prompted to create a shortcut on your desktop, and then just close this window. And as you can see here, we have now the CTFmon shortcut. So all you need to do, we also have another one. So all you need to do is just to open again the run window. So please, in your keyboard, type Windows R key. And then here we need to type shell common \startup. After typing this one, just please click on enter and OK. And once you have already open the startup folder, all you need to do is just to copy this, go back to the desktop, copy the shortcut that we have just made, either of the two. So you will be getting one only. So please make a right click on that and then click on the copy button here. And then once you're already in the startup folder, paste the copied document or copied file in the startup folder. And once you have already pasted it, just please make a quick restart with your device to apply the changes. And after the restart, the search bar issue should now be resolved, and you can now type in the search bar as usual in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.